Just focus on the breathing. Meditation is trying to develop mindfulness and right understanding about the true nature of physical and mental. Trying to be mindful about the breathing. Actually, it is not breathing, it is just the wind elements, physical nature. But from the view of society, we will say breathing. In fact, they are just the movement or repulsion and attraction of air nature, wind nature. Wind nature or movement or touchiness can be realized, can be cognized by bodily sense. Without the bodily sense, bodily consciousness, we cannot be mindful about the touchiness or imperant operant. Try to be mindful about the touchiness or touchiness area. Touchiness are not the same one, not the same nature along the timeline. Touchiness are arising and ceasing from moment to moment, one after another. They are not the same one, same touchiness in the place or along the time. Actually, we are not being mindful, but only the mindfulness is being mindful about the touchiness or wind nature, physical nature. Sometimes thoughts or ideas will arise. Thoughts or ideas are mental objects, mental nature. Mental objects or mental nature are not existing in some way, as not being existing or coming from somewhere. But they will arise newly at the right moment of contact. Regarding to the causes. Mindfulness and right understanding should be not only in sitting meditation time, but also in every contact of our six senses. To learn meditation practice effectively, we should understand and mindful in every contact of our six senses. Six senses means eye sense, ear sense, nose sense, tongue sense, body sense, and mind sense. mind sense, ear sense, nose sense, tongue sense, body sense. 6 senses are not the same one, not the same thing along the timeline. They are look like the river flowing. In the river, the water are not existing as the same one, as the same thing along the timeline. In the river, the waters are flowing or renewing at every moment. They are not the same water in the same place, but renewing and flowing, arising and ceasing from moment to moment, depending on the corresponding causes. So also, in the same way, the touchiness, wind elements, in-breath, out-breath, knowingness, awareness, mindfulness, they are not the same one. They are not the same thing along the timeline, but they are renewing or arising newly at every contact or every moment in our 6 senses. Just to be mindful without taking serious, without thinking the wind element as mine. Wind element is just physical nature. They are not personal one. They are not the same one along the timeline. Just to be mindful, physical nature as physical nature. Physical nature are just to be mindful without taking serious, without thinking as the same one, the same thing along the timeline. So also trying to be mindful about their mental nature. Just to be mindful mental nature as mental nature at the right moment of arising. Mental nature are not existing in some way. Mental nature are have not been existing some way beforehand, but they will arise newly at the right moment of contact or touching of corresponding causes. So we should be mindful and realize Mother Nature as Mother Nature, without thinking Mother Nature as I, my, or existing in some way. Mother Nature will arise newly at the right moment of contact of corresponding object. Try to be mindful and realize Mother Nature as Mother Nature, without thinking the Mother Nature as I, mine, or the same longer timeline. Mother Nature are rising newly from moment to moment. Mother Nature are not the same one, not the same thing, down that timeline. You arise newly, one after another, according to corresponding causes. Graded meditation time is over now. But real meditation time is every moment of mindfulness and right understanding. Meditation time is over now. Is there any question or any difficulty?
I have a question.
Question, yes?
Because you say the perception can be changed with the new experience and feelings. How we can change the feelings?
Depending on the perception, the feeling will change. Now I dislike about the massage. I feel pain, but maybe I try the massage divine day, although I feel pain. But later, my feeling will be changed. At the beginning, I think the massage has unpleasant feeling, but later, some people think that the massage has pleasant feeling. So this is to recognize this summary of today's teaching. What our mindfulness or to realize is about these factors: physical nature and mental nature.
Identify this as the personality act.
It is in different synonyms. Sometimes you can understand more easily. Consciousness means knowing, cognizing.
And the personality ways?
What?
The personality, how I am, how I...
Personality.
Yeah.
Actually, personality later I will explain about the creator truth. For example, I will say I. Actually, there is no I. So for example, I will drive the car. So what is car? Is engine car, or is wheel car, is gear car. So if you point out which part is car, so we cannot find out that, we cannot say that part is called car, right? Only with combination we can say car. If you take off 4 wheels, you cannot say only 4 wheel. You cannot say only 4 wheel is car. You cannot say engine only is car. But all combination we call car. On the same way, we cannot say one part only is personality. Only combination we call personality. So that means car is not reality, just naming, just labeling. We call creator truth, just labeling. For example, I say my name is Soe Win Htut. What is Soe Win Htut? Is hair Soe Win Htut? Is teeth Soe Win Htut? Is nail Soe Win Htut? We cannot say one part only is Soe Win Htut. We call all combination is Soe Win Htut. Country also like that. What is Chile? What is Myanmar? We cannot say one part only is Chile. Just call all combination we label or name Soe Win Htut. So personality or I, my, country, nation, they are just labeling or naming. They are not true nature. They are created nature. Created nature means we give them name. So personality or I, my are not reality. They are just naming, labeling about the combination of nature.
Can you take a picture?
Yes, you can keep it. In the book, I also explain about it. So let's share our merits. Sharing merits. Just follow my saying. May all beings rejoice and get our merits. May all beings be well, happy, and peaceful. May all beings be free from all kinds of suffering. Sadhu.